Dog whistle? What do you mean, a dog whistle? I know what you mean. I can take this dog whistle comment in a good way though, but some people try and call it that to bring it down. But I know you're not, because quite obviously it helped you. This helped you. You have got to be so proud of yourself. 10 months. And that's smoke-free. Did you hear that, everybody? Smoke-free. Not vape-free, smoke-free. This helped towards quitting smoking. And it might be a little breathing necklace. It might look like it's not going to do a lot. But, like you said, it has and it will. It can. Not everybody, but some. And it has helped me and many others. Thank you, the Soul Man. Well done. Simply breathe. Adios.